guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie, and for today's video we are going to be doing unboxing. We're going to be doing a Play by Sephora unboxing. So for those of you that don't know, Sephora Play is a $10 beauty subscription service where you get 5 sample size items plus a bonus. And they do, like I said, this is a monthly subscription, costs $10 a month, and you also get a playbook. And you also get 50 points, 50 Beauty Insider points. For $10, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. The first item that I want to look at is the Fresh Rose Facial Toner. I've never used that before, so I'm excited to try that. I do use a toner, but it's not this one. Second item is the Mascara Base by Lancome. Again, never really tried that, so I'm excited. Love mascara. Next item is going to be the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I've never tried anything by Glam Glow, but I've heard that, Glam Glow, but I have heard that it is a pretty good cleanser and they have good mask and stuff, so I am excited to try that. The next thing that I have is the Clinique Prep Start Eye Cream. I love getting eye creams because you really only use a small amount under your eyes. So this will probably last me a very long time, so that's cool. And then I guess the last sample, which I'm really excited about, is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. That's what it looks like. And it's like a little tiny little thing. It's so cute. I'm like really excited to try this because I've heard so many great things about it, but I always like to try things before I actually commit to buying them. So I think it's awesome to get these subscription boxes, or sometimes I go and I buy like the mini size of stuff. But anyways, I'm really excited about this. And then my bonus sample is the Alterna Hair Care. And I guess this is a shampoo and conditioner. It says it's replenishing moisture and it's free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic colors. I'm very particular about hair care stuff, so I don't really know that I'll use this. But if anything, I'll just give it to my mom or one of my friends. But yeah, that was basically everything. Thanks for watching my first unboxing. Again, I would love to, thank everyone for watching my videos and for all my friends and family and all my subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, there's a notification bell on the side. Go ahead and click that so you never miss out on one of my videos. Thanks, guys.